Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah, nah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Roxy and I'm here with another video. In this video, I'm going to be styling my lace wig that I have. It's from Riri Hair, and it's the same wig from a video that I reviewed previously. I'll leave the link to that video up here if you're interested. So I'm going to be styling it by just giving it a nice halo braid, or I believe we call it goddess braid. So I want to do that because I'm trying to give myself like a holiday look. So I want to try it out. Hopefully it turns out well, but anyway, if you want to see how I do that, stay tuned. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply this lace cap on my head. I know it's a little bit lighter, but I'm just gonna use it to kind of keep my hair a little bit more flat than it already is. Not necessarily for the color. I'm gonna apply the wig. Oh, this is the wig, by the way. So I did wash it, and the hair is beautiful. I believe I got it in an 18-inch. Okay, so I'm gonna put the wig on partially, and then I'm gonna use the Got2b glue gel to start gluing it on.
I look crazy.
Okay, so here's the Got2b. Everyone knows this bad boy. So I'm going to use it to just line the perimeter of my hair. So basically what I'm doing today, I'm just sprucing up this wig. I could easily wear it straight, but I want to give it like a nice holiday glam look. And if you like my earrings, I got my earrings from Aldo. Actually no, my mom got them from Aldo and she gave them to me. You might notice I get a lot of my accessories from my mom. She loves accessories just like me, so she has good taste in accessories and earrings. So I'm gonna add another layer at the front, right here, and then at the sides, like where the flaps stop. The wig forward. I'm going to start with the center. So yeah, I'm gonna take my head tie and I'm just gonna tie it down for about 10 minutes so that everything lays how I need it to. So I'm just gonna take my curling wand and just use the heat to kind of press the hair going back. This is gonna make it easier for me to catch the braid. And I'm gonna put some holding spray just so that the braid doesn't get loose too quickly, or it doesn't just, you know, fall out as soon as I start braiding it. I'm going to start off with a deep side part, and this is where I'm going to start my braid. Right. Like this. To give it, this is gonna give it like that goddess braid look. Okay, so I'm gonna take the end of this braid with some bobby pins and I'm just gonna pin it down. So I have some hair sticking out up here. I'm just gonna take some of the free spray and slick it down. Or if you have a wax stick, you can use your wax stick and tame your flyaways. You can use your wax stick and just slick down your flyaways. So I'm gonna add some more to the braid here. so that it stays in place. And I purposely left these strands out, and I'm gonna just curl them with a curling wand. My camera just shut off. I just turned it back on. So what I did was I curled these ends with a curling wand. So I don't know if you got that part, but I'm gonna do it again. And also this piece, it was supposed to be more at the back, but it's a little bit on the side, but it's okay. I'm gonna curl this piece too. I have an extra piece at the back. I don't know if I like this. This is kind of chunky. I might have to tuck this piece in. Yeah, I'm gonna just tuck this loose piece in because it's just too big. Yeah. So you know I gotta finish off the look with some lips. Sorry, I'm gonna use the NYX Liquid Suede in the color Cherry 6. What am I talking about? Cherry Skies. Alright, so this is a finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!